Hi guys, there might be a lot of reasons why you would like to uninstall a font. You might simply have far too many installed and it slows down your system. As it happened to me a few years ago on my old PC. I've had so many fonts installed that it was slowing my PC, and opening Photoshop was really a long struggle. Literally, I could go brew a coffee, come back, and the software was still loading. It took me a while to realize what was happening. So how to actually uninstall a font? Well, it is super easy. On this channel I post videos about how to find, edit and sell public domain works, free graphic tools helping you to make money online, and software reviews. Please check my Gumroad store where I post a lot of PDFs with many sources from these videos. In this video I will show you a simplest way, which works best if you have fonts backed up. I am recommending creating a dedicated fonts folder where you keep all your fonts. Basically, this is a good way to keep your resources organized in a way that you know where everything is and you have it backed up too. Well, in order to uninstall the font, go to your C drive, which is located in my computer folder or this computer or this PC. Then click on the Windows folder and open the fonts folder and find the font that you would like to uninstall. Click on it once. There is a small taskbar with three options: preview, delete and hide. Click on delete, approve, and that's you. Don't worry about the font being deleted, you have it already. This was only a working copy of the same font. So most of the apps like Microsoft Office, Photoshop and other graphic editing programs will update instantly even when they are open at the time of deleting the font. If you're on a hunt for free fonts, I have a list of over 40 sites with literally 1000 upon 1000 free fonts with personal and commercial license. The list comes at a small price, but it will provide you with such a huge number of fonts that you might not be looking for more. If you've got any value out of this video, then consider subscribing to my channel and smash the notification bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.